What's going on, guys? I'm back again with another video. As you guys can see right now, it is getting dark. As you guys see as the title, a lot of you guys have been requesting that you guys wanted to see a video of how the Honda Civic Type R illuminated lights, all those accessories that I installed, how does it look at nighttime. And I'm also going to show the LED lights in the interior that I installed. I'm going to show you guys the reverse light, the brake light, and show you guys those lights as well too. Definitely I'm going to show you guys how they look at night, how you're able to adjust the brightness at night as well. So as they get a little bit more darker in a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how everything looks. But this was a highly requested video from the last video. I finally got the Type R back and it was at the shop, so I'm gonna explain to you guys in tomorrow's video of where the Type R has been in the past few weeks, because a lot of you guys hit me up and asked me where's the videos at. You guys have been waiting for more videos, so super excited to be able to share that with you guys. I don't know if it's gonna get any darker than this, but I have the key in my pocket. Man, I don't know if I haven't been outside in a while because it's quarantine, but this light is bright. I don't remember it being that bright. You guys can still see there's some light outside, but that thing is bright. Key is in my pocket. If you guys don't know, this car is keyless, so as soon as you put your hand behind where you open the door, it does unlock for you, which is pretty dope and neat. And when you get to the front, you get this red R that says for the Type R, which is pretty dope. So before you get into the car, so it looks like that. That looks really sick and dope. On a camera, it kind of looks like a light red, but in person, it does look very red. It looks mean and red. It has like a red, deep red in person compared to when you see it on camera. So that is pretty dope. Another thing is you have these Type R LEDs in the car, so it lights up the whole interior and the back right there. As you guys can see, man, this car needs some tint for real. You can see through everything. So definitely no more fishbowl status, big fishbowl status. Definitely need to get that fixed. This is the Doorsill illuminated light. That's the console illuminated light. Looks pretty sick and dope. So when you have basically the setting up here to auto, as you guys can see, if you leave it on auto, when it does get dark, it will recognize and come on automatically. So the Doorsill illuminated light will come on, the console light will come on, the headlights will come on, even if you have the fog lights on too, that will come on, which is pretty dope at nighttime and it looks pretty sick. And as you guys can see, we have the red footwell lights. That looks dope as well. And you also have the wireless charger, but that doesn't light up green until you turn the car on. So it lights up green when you put your phone in there, it turns yellow for charging, and then when it's full, it actually turns green. So that is pretty sick. So let me show you guys how the headlights look. I really haven't seen how the headlights look at night too as well. So that is pretty sick. The day running light is all the same. Low beams are actually the same too. Same color tone and everything. Fog lights the same. That is pretty sick. And then you also got your amber signals right there. That looks pretty sick. You come around the back, if you guys didn't know, from the factory, the LED license plate bulb is actually a LED, so that's pretty dope that you don't even have to mess with that or change that. And it looks very clean and look very bright, so that's pretty dope as well. All right, let me turn on the car for you guys right now. As you guys can see, I got my feet down there and it looks like that. That is sick. And the passenger side as well. Haven't drove this car at night yet either. Just trying to get all the stuff done. Engine start, key in your pocket. Looks like that. Tells you what to do. Press it again. Goes on to the on position. That is pretty sick. Turn the car on. Pretty freaking quiet. Pretty quiet. That is crazy. Right here in the corner, as you guys can see where my finger is, this is how you adjust the dash light. As you guys can see, the brightness goes down, it goes up, you can turn it all the way up, and it is pretty dope. So when you adjust the brightness, right, the other lights gets dim, as you guys can see. So while I'm turning the knob right here, the light at the bottom of the footwell gets dimmer. You want it to get bright, it gets bright. That's sick. And everything over here gets bright as well. So as you guys can see, the stations over here and everything gets dim, and then it gets super bright. I was also telling you guys about when you turn on the car, the wireless charger lights up green next to the power button, which is pretty dope. By the console, as you guys can see, it gets dim, and then I'm gonna turn it up. As you guys can see, it's getting brighter and brighter. That's pretty sick, right? This does not get brighter because of course the door is going to be closed, so of course you won't be able to see when close the door is going to be brighter, or even if you have the door open, of course it won't get brighter, which makes sense. But the console light and the footwell light, you can adjust the brightness. If you guys have a 2019 Type R as well, you know the new 2019 Type R has a glove box light, and I upgraded it to LED. That's how it looks. Man, that's super bright. It looks very clean as well. Same thing over here. It says Type R's light up. It looks very deep and dark in person. And then this is how the passenger side looks like that. It will adjust to this side as well. That is pretty dope and sick. I upgraded the brake light itself to LEDs as well, so I'm going to show you guys how it will look. Gosh, even from the side right here, you can see that glare. But man, these things are super bright. Highly recommend you guys get these Type R LED lights for at nighttime, so when you back up and stuff, you can see a good distance and everything is light up pretty good. So that is sick. That is really dope. Even if you're not using that backup camera, if you look back through your side mirrors, you can see everything. That is sick right there. That is pretty bright. As I'm all the way in the back of the street, and you can see that thing is super bright, especially kind of like the light inside of the garage right there. Dang, it's so bright out here, I might have to just use the reverse light LED lighting. From the last video, I know a lot of you guys have requested, you guys wanted to know how the Honda accessory Illuminated lights that I installed on the Honda Civic Type R, how it looked at night. So I hope this video helped you guys a lot. If this video definitely helped you guys a lot, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I definitely got more content on the way. I'm going to be dropping a new video tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified on new videos as well. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, that thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen.